I told you guys we were in for a treat. Check out all of these tractors. People think I'm crazy, but I've said I want to die on my tractor. Now I just gotta pick one, right?
Hey guys, stay on the road. Stay on the road.
So come on, let's check out some of these tractors. We're being photobombed, video bombed. Go stand next to the next one up. Yeah, I think this one's bigger than her.
Yeah, I think so too.
Do you remember which one of these tractors you rode on?
Well, give me just a few minutes and I'll let you know. Lean toward that one.
We could get under that tree.
I hope they're testing them to see if they run. Part of the rules is they have to run in order to win the prizes, I think.
Not our stuff.
Or maybe they're all done. I don't know.
Okay.
So,
Which one?
well, I know the tractor, the front tires were close together. No, they weren't.
Well, you rode on.
Oh, okay. Well, let me re-look at them again. Check out these little tractors. Do what? They're little. Hey, they still do the work.
We're supposed to be open. Oh, I see, but we're soon after we bought a John Deere tractor, the whole one.
I'm sorry, what is it? This one? That's what I was thinking of, that one.
Anyway, something of that style, the person we got, later years, we bought one.
Okay.
Probably more. But I know last one we bought, it had wide wheels on it.
Huh. So, for some reason, I've always thought I was...
It was real old when he got it.
Okay.
Probably had trouble with it. I don't know. They bought a brand new one. We bought it. We didn't hit it for a while.
Yep, this is Grandpa Wheeler. Reminiscing about tractors. Because he thinks I'm crazy for saying I want to die on a tractor. Well, this one isn't a factory model, I'm pretty sure. I believe this one has been modified. Just a few modifications, not many. Even has the I think this one's ready for battle. Look at that. We got an old-fashioned spear here and some spears here on the front. Nearer so you can see the back. And check out we've got a Volkswagen hood here for his roof.
We run into our
Well, I told you it was going to be an adventure. We have wandered the town of Granville all day long, explored Sutton's general store, we have listened to music, we have watched artisans, we've seen cars and motorcycles and tractors. Oh yeah, tractors for sure.
And a quilt shop. And a quilt museum.
Oh boy. That's all she thinks. Quilt, quilt, quilt. Anyway, it has been a fabulous day. It's time for us to head back to Chattanooga, back down the road. We'll see you next time. Hope y'all enjoyed.